Microwave TV.
Me get very industrial, sister Winnie. What the story about Owie and Nesha? Owie and Nesha, somebody run it by me quick. We always say. We always say. Now that thing you know, so if you didn't go class here. Me go class here, wait. We always say, Nesha depressed and all. We all know say Nesha depressed, postpartum. Push she over there, so we never send her go breathe on the internet, send her go breathe. Let me say this too now. You see, Owie and Nesha, they might do a little jading. Me not hear say, always say renting paper on the land. Him never know say them life you hard. Make Owie move a beg, Owie a beg. Beg Owie a beg. Make Owie go a beg him a beg. Beg. A beg Owie a beg. The house can belong to a friend and Owie use phone and money and put on rooms and fix up the place. I like Owie careless and Nesha careless. And me gonna tell you why me say Owie and Nesha careless. They better make sure say I lie them I tell them. Oh, them better make sure say them a boss a Jaden. Them better make sure I lie them a tell. Owie and Nesha are two careless dirty couple. Oh, so them better me and the people them when me like and admire, but I never know them so careless. Then you ever tell me say I rent you a paper on the land and use TikTok money and build things for the people them land. You use TikTok money and know say you pay rent and go buy vehicle. And you know why me not say for your land cheap now blow. You can't get land for buy for your 400,000. You're too wicked, Owie and Nesha. Una like poverty, una like handout. You say una like help. Move. And you know say I always think say I feed them peace of land. I always think so. Me sweep all the way up. Oh, Jesus have mercy. Oh, shit. Hey, put on the... Me sweep all the way up. Oh, shit. Owie and Nesha. You see, Owie I behave like Nesha. Me I want to put him care the belly. Owie is a handyman, you know. Owie is a handyman. You're dropping a good life, you know. And you gonna tell me say from una lease land a country una can buy piece? If I even piece a lot, come in and want to say acre. Eh? And you gonna come talk now and bring depression and the internet after your woman depressed already? Una move on a nasty stinking self and go. Una stop it. Una stop it. Land too cheap. You can get land at a Linstead for 400,000. Una country people. Una know about acre and land and diamond and gold. Una country people. Una too complacent and that begging. Of course, cards. You not tell me. Me I tell you. You don't never know. To buy a piece of land hard, you know, depending on the area. You never know that. Depending on the area, you get land in the 100,000s. So I don't know that. That's what I'm saying. Exactly, Manchester United. It's not like me I tell. A long time them depend on the upper go and let them up them head pan them body. Land for $5 million, depending on where. Me not ask, baby girl, come on program with that. You know, say you have to pay for area, though. A area you buy, you know. A area you buy. Somebody say a country them live and them can get land for less than $1 million. Me not ask you now. I tell you something, you know. That's something me I tell you now. Now ask you now. Oh, when you too careless. You see the fact of the matter is this. When you not have it on the app, Owie and Nesha. When you not come on the app, when you humble. When you cook from when you not have no stove, when you cook from food surrounding look like poverty. Me I tell you something. You see when you cook from food house look like in a Rosalie own. Yeah. When I cook from phone house, look like Rosalie own. Now ask you, remember up here so you did have to put the camera and it have to stay in the pot. And remember you have to lock it off or hide it for going in the next room go eat. I want to stop questioning, just find out and purchase. They don't know nothing. Which part of St. Thomas that? Go look, St. Thomas is a big place. You have got the whole of St. Thomas expensive. Go on here, big old girl. Big old girl, go on here. You have got like St. Thomas look good at the park where them show away. Come look a reason now. Eh? Come look a reason. Because when you got Linstead, you know, I just the front part of Linstead, you see now, you say, wow, glorious, go up in the hill. Come here, big crutches, girl. But St. Thomas you live. Which part of St. Thomas that? Hey, go on here. Go and go wash out your hole. Go wash out the bottom part of your hole. You never know that? Yeah, come and jump up. Yeah, come and jump up and come and guani. No say nothing, baby. Don't say nothing. Cause them feel say bush now get established. Don't say nothing. One year, but which part of St. Thomas that? You have place at Kingston where you can get for $1, and you have place at Kingston where you can get for $1 million. Go suck your mama. You're big and don't. See, you've got Jamaica expensive like that. No, I didn't say St. Thomas isn't nice. With them sure we nice. But let us go into St. Thomas. In every residential area, you have an inner city each up beside. Hello? Yeah, come and talk. And I come and guani. But which part of St. Thomas that? Because you sell crutches everywhere down there. You sell crutches everywhere down there. That's why people rob on the money. Come man can sell a piece of land in a bush. And you say, them say 12 mil. And you ball it down and them say, alright, 11. And you know, so the land value 500,000. Come now. No, I didn't read anything wrong. The person keeps stating, $12 million. Which part of St. Thomas that? May I read the message? I don't read anything wrong. Don't tell me. I don't read anything wrong. Draw back down the screen. Which part of St. Thomas that? $12 million for land of St. Thomas. Huh? Me not come here so for advocate for she or for think about she never mean it that way, she never mean it that way. Me no business with a so-called girl. She said it multiple times. So if she not mean it that way, a long time I ignore her. Yeah, a long time I ignore she depend. Yeah. Yeah, over and over me I hear her, me I see it. But you may ignore the things that me not see it. So me don't know what to do them. Somebody just get 2 acres for 1 meal. I can't bother with them suck cocky people here, you know. The time all I run out. Maybe make it run out and I'll come back right away. Jamaicans are the only one where hype and hungry, you know. We are the only ones where hype and hungry. I don't know if the lie that they're on probation. Remember that page I did ban, you know? So it look like a probation. I don't know if I 1 month probation, 2 month probation. But you know, TikTok come suck me. Yeah. You see, you know, people in their life want to spend more time at hype than understanding. You see, it's easy to hype, you know. That's why everybody asks the whole store. Everybody asks the whole store because it's easy to hype. Once you feel say, yeah, in here to look nice, better than some people own me, I give them a tour. Baby girl, the furniture, them are aluminum. When I get old store, I forget old store. I could get old store, my things them not insured. When I get old store, I forget old store with insured furniture. You ever hear about meet my crib? Because the whole of we are show things and we can't, sickness come tomorrow, we can't sell a dresser. We cannot sell a dresser because we neighbor have one leg. That's why I always ask people, why is it pertinent for us to give a house tour when others don't live anywhere? When you look at the persons who are asking about house tour, those are persons who never meet life yet. They are still in a dream. It's true. Yeah, the place looks nice, but everything in there is unnecessary. And it's just the truth. Hey, you don't have a room with lock off. And it doesn't have a door, but it lock off. Those are insured furniture. That's the sitting area. Everything in this are insured. So tomorrow morning, if you go broke, you have these. You get what me I say? An old store in a rent house. I just can't understand. Me no see no girl have no wall painting upon them wall, no TikTok and no ranker. But wall painting will value all 2 million US, 500,000 US. Me no see that. Me don't see that. And a this a life I go now, and me don't see it. You want old store and sunshine furniture? House store and Syrian material? Me I come back right away as the live done. Yeah, house store and me can't bother with that. Me can't bother tour no because me know so when me have somebody else have greater. That tour you now go good. That tour you not even tour bird. Tour you now go good at backside. Let me see your bed. Your bed big and fabulous and you can't insure. You have a big fabulous bed and it's not insured. Pure shine. Hey, if you ever dry your curtain, there will appear reflection leaking in your vision. Oh, my vision. My vision is not visionary. Yeah. Pure things leaking in your vision. Wop. Yeah. Your vision just a beat up so. Put up the blackout, draw the curtain. Pure shine. Oh, remember the time Batman did cuss me? Oh, remember Batman did cuss me and said, she be not no shine in your house. What me do with shine? What me do with shine? What me do? What am I doing shine? Eh? Me no want nothing in my house a bling. I want things in my house where I belong. Me no want no blingers in my house. Give me a blongers. Yeah? Me no want no blingers. People may come back right away now.